Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to add your resume or CV in LinkedIn. First thing first, open LinkedIn and click the Jobs tab located in the top navigation bar. Use the search bar to find job openings by title, skill, and location. Browse the job listings and click on any job title to view the full description. If you see the Easy Apply button, it means you can apply directly through LinkedIn. Now click Easy Apply and follow the prompts. When asked to attach your resume, upload the version that best fits you the position. LinkedIn automatically saves up to 5 resumes you've uploaded, showing the date each version was last used. This allows you to quickly reuse or switch between resumes for different job applications. To stay organized, give each resume a clear file name that identifies its purpose. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.